Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error no JVM could be found on your system in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search for Java download, and you just need to scroll down and select Java download for all operating systems. Now you just need to scroll down. Now you need to find your system bit. For that, you just need to go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see where system bit. After knowing the system bit, you just need to close stuff here. This link is for 32-bit operating system guys, Windows offline, and this link is for 64-bit operating system. Select the link depending on which bit you have. In my case, I have 64-bit. That's why I'm clicking on this link, and it started downloading. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select yes. Select the install option. After getting installed done, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.